Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to recover deleted videos or restore deleted videos or retrieve deleted videos or deleted videos recovery without any app. Are you accidentally delete or lost your any videos? In this you can easily recover or restore or retrieve your deleted videos and recover your lost videos or retrieve or recover your all lost videos or deleted videos easily recover. So let's see how to do that. So don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So in this time I can show fast process. You can follow my fast process. So first of all, go to your phone gallery. After you can see phone gallery, and in this you can easily recover or restore your all deleted videos. So let's see. So first of all, choose and open phone gallery. In this I can see my phone gallery, and in this I can easily recover or restore deleted videos. After you can see three dot line menu, click on it. You can see videos, favorites, recent, clean out, locations, shared albums, recycle bin. So in this you can choose and open recycle bin. And remember, other phones you can see trash bin or search trash bin. So in this time I can choose and open recycle bin or trash bin. Remember, in this here I can see my all lost or deleted videos in this here, and in this you can easily recover or restore or retrieve your all deleted videos or recover your lost videos. So let's see. In this time I can choose and open delete or lost videos. Open it. In this time I can easily recover or restore your lost or deleted videos. So let's see. After that you can see two options, restore or delete. So in this time you can choose restore, click on it, and in this way you can easily recover or restore deleted videos. And in this time I can restore another videos. After that, choose restore, click here. After that, in this you can easily recover or restore your all lost or deleted videos. So let's see. After that, tap on please. After that, left top corner all option, click here. You can see 55 selected, and in this time I can easily recover or restore all deleted videos. So let's see. After you can see restore all or delete all, you can choose restore all, click here. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted videos. And remember, you recover or restore your deleted videos saved on your phone gallery. And in this time I can show another way or second process. So let's see. After that, go to your file manager. You can see my files, but you can see other phones file manager. You can see in this time you can choose and open my files, but sometimes you can see your other phone's file manager. So in this time I can choose and open my files or file manager. After that, scroll down. So in this time you can choose recycle bin, click on it. And in this I can see my deleted videos, and in this time I can easily recover or restore or retrieve deleted videos. So let's see. So you can choose and select or tap on your need deleted videos. After that, tap on please. After that you can see restore details or delete. So in this time you can choose restore option, click here. You can see in this time I can choose some deleted videos, and in this time I can easily recover or restore some delete videos. After that, choose restore option, click on it, and in this time I can recover or restore all deleted videos. So let's see. After that, tap on please. After that, left top corner all option, click here. And in this time I can easily recover or restore all deleted videos. So let's see. After that, in this you can see restore all option, click on it. So in this way you can easily recover or restore or retrieve or delete videos recovery easily without any app. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.